Hey friends, it's Shara. Thanks for stopping by. I am here with sweet Kai, who is playing with his little taggy lovey, and he is having so much fun over there. I think he has the hiccups. He is so cute. I have made a bottle for him. It's time for bed, so I've made this nice warm bottle for him, and I'm going to change him into a new diaper and a sleeper and then put him down for the night. But I wanted to introduce you to someone. I decided to take the female body plate off of my Meadow kit, for my Meadow baby doll, and re-weight it and then turn it into a little boy and see how I like it. You may know that I had it up for sale. I just wasn't into the body plate. Oh my gosh, he is having so much fun back there. And so I think I really like it. And I think this little one is going to stick around for a while. Don't have a name yet, but I will. And I just wanted to show you that. I did just cut the body plate off. It can be put back on for pictures and stuff. But yeah. So there's that cutie. All right, we will get going with Mr. Kai over here and get him ready for night-night. He's having so much fun with that toy. Oh, he does have the hiccups. Yep, there you go. Aren't baby hiccups so cute? Oh, he's having a blast though with that little taggy toy. All right, we'll be right back. I'm just gonna get him in the position to change. All right, I got him here and we will start changing him. I think, let me lift him up. I know you got your toy. I'm not taking it away. No. You're still with the hiccups, aren't you? You're still. Let me take this away just for a second, cutie pie. And I'll give it right back. Yeah, you're so happy. He's such a happy little fella. You are such a happy little guy, aren't you? Aren't you just the sweetest? Aren't you just the sweetest? There you go. There's your toy. Yeah, you like that taggy, don't you? You like the taggy toys. Whoever invented those is probably a millionaire, but they're a genius. Because kids have always played with tags and boxes and things that you don't think are toys, and you get all these expensive toys and they don't play with them. They like the things that aren't toys. You get it. You get it. All right, we're gonna change him. Let's get this up, or get this ready. I'm gonna change him into this little Joey diaper. This one's a little full. This one's just a little full. We'll put this new diaper on. Oh, yeah, mister. You tell him. Are you telling me stories? What happened today? What did you do today? Really? What did you do? Did you go somewhere? You telling me stories, huh? Are you telling me stories about your day? Yeah, that fits you really nice. Good job, buddy. Oh, yeah. You get it. You get it. Yeah. You saying hi to our aunties and uncles? Are you? Hi. You got them hiccups still. Hi. It sounds like he's saying hi. Hi. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Are you getting hungry? Are you getting hungry? You ready to eat, huh? Are you getting hungry? We're gonna get you your bottle. Oh, are you talking to Mama? Oh, you better not go poopies. Mama just changed you. Oh, this is a really cute little lightweight sleeper. It has little bunny feet and it says made with love all over it. It's just soft and cozy. Aw, just soft and cozy. Just like Kai. Soft and cozy. Oh, okay. Let's turn him over. Can you do it? Can you do it? I'll give you a toy. I'll give you your toy. Wow. Oh, oh, oh. Is it making you grunt? It's making you grunt. Oh, oh, oh. You get it? You like that? You like to turn backwards like this? Hi, yeah. Okay, let's do this one. Ha, ha, ha. There you go. Yeah, you're such a good boy and so happy and talkative tonight. You ready for your bottle? Huh? There you go. There you go. It's back. Okay. There you go. You love that. You love to chew on the tags. Chewing on tags is hard work. Oh, you got a grunt. Hiccups are so cute. Ready? Hi. Peekaboo. Yeah, well he looks super cute in these jammies, just as I knew he would. You getting it? Are you getting your hand? Oh, such a good boy. Are you getting hungry? Are you getting hungry, huh? All right, Mama get you in the pot stir and give you your bottle, okay? Yeah, I know. I know. Here we go. There, yeah. Let's get you all swaddled, okay? So you'll be nice and cozy for bed, yeah. Nice and cozy. Here you go. Yeah, yeah. Here we go. Oh, there you go, buddy. There you go. All right. Here you go. All right. You're getting hungry. Okay. Oh, Mama give you your bottle now. Yeah. All right, Mama give you your bottle. Bottle's ready. Let's get your new out. Yeah, you ready to eat? Oh, you're so sad. Here you go. All right. You got it? All right. You got it all clear? What's the matter? What's the matter? It's all gone, baby. All right, guys. Well, it looks like he's asleep. And we will see you in the next video. As always, friends, we are sending you wishes of love and light. Take care. Bye-bye.